try to like organize it while everything is—
Yes, do it. We love chaos.
me and my mess. Hello, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. That was super sweet of you. Oh my goodness, I meant to reapply my lip. Oh my gosh, you can barely even see my lips here. So cameras, you guys know cameras, right? Cameras are freaking weird, dude. Camera lighting makes me look totally different than I look in real life. I'm wearing so much blush right now. Ready? I'll overlay a little video on my phone here so you can see how much blush I'm truly wearing, because it is just, the camera cannot even pick up that amount of blush. But that's not what this video is about. You did not click on this video to hear me rant on and on about how my camera doesn't pick up what I look like in real life, and oh my gosh, I spent so much time trying to make my blush look heavier so you can see my facial features. No, you clicked on this video because you, like me, have an interest in me organizing my makeup desk. Okay, here's the deal. Normally I say you like me, but in this time, I don't really mean it. I mean it every other time. This time, I don't want to clean my desk. I hate organizing and cleaning. Like, I hate to do it. I love when things are clean and organized. Oh my gosh, show me an organized desk, show me an organization program, and I am all in, baby. I love it so much. But the actual act of organizing myself makes me go like this, my Mr. Crocker hands, like I was talking in the last video. It makes me want to go Fairly Odd Parents, because I just do not like organizing at all. But obviously I need to, because this is my freaking makeup desk right now. It's not the vibe. It's absolutely 100% not the vibe right now. It is truly a disaster. It is an absolute mess. I got palettes on the bed over here too. And here's the deal. I know I said I don't want to do this, but I have to organize my makeup desk because I am moving literally right now. We are in the process of moving right now, and I need to move all of this makeup to another apartment. And before I can do that, I need to get it together. I need to get it organized. You know, there was a moment there where I was like, maybe I'll just like shove it all in a box and figure it out when I get there. But I'm like, no, 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 no. That's not gonna be fun for me, and things will probably get ruined if I do it that way. So if that sounds like a topic that is interesting to you and you want to watch me organize my makeup desk and hopefully not be miserable in the process, then I encourage you to please subscribe and keep on watching. It's coming at you right now. Okay, where should we start? You guys, oh my gosh, help. I should have done this live so you could have given me like live advice. Okay, so I think what we should start is I should take everything off my desk, which, just the idea of that makes me feel so stressed. But it's okay. I think I need to take everything off my desk, because if I try to like organize it while everything is here, I'm just gonna drop things. So we can't have that. Let's do a little sped up montage with some fun music behind it of me taking everything off this desk, and then we can get to organizing.
It's me, a voiceover. Yeah, you know what? I practiced that a few times and I still don't feel great about it. But I'm just popping in here to let you know that you wouldn't even freaking believe the amount of little pieces of Q-tip I found. Like, not full Q-tips, but just like the heads of them, because I like to rip off the heads of the Q-tip for when I clean up my little eyeliner lines. Oh no, I'm running out of time. What a good montage, yay!
Okay, pausing my time lapse to think for a beat. So my erratic Sagittarius moon brain really just wants me to dump these boys onto the bed, you know, just not even think about it, just dump it. Hopefully nothing spills. That way they're completely empty, and the Virgo in me wants me to carefully take everything out of these little drawers. What do? Do I dump them? Do I just go full-blown chaotic energy and just dump everything out of these? Or do I do it gently as to risk not breaking anything? Oh, I wish you guys could answer me in real time. You know which part of my brain's gonna win out. You know chaos always wins in here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna dump these out, so just close your eyes if you don't want to see. Oh boy, okay, let's dump these boys.
Yes, do it. We love chaos. Dump those little makeup organizers all over the bed. You're gonna get little Q-tip pieces all over the bed and have to clean it up later.
All right, you guys, here you have it. I have all of my makeup in my collection dumped onto my desk, And now the desk is clean. So yeah, I guess that just about wraps it up for today's video. I'm kidding, of course. No, wow, it's just pure chaotic energy here. Yeah, so obviously I'm gonna organize everything now. Oh my gosh, this is a lot. I don't like this. I'll be in my mess. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do next is yet another beautiful montage. I'm gonna separate things into categories. I'm not gonna get too specific, but I'm gonna separate them into eyes, lips, face, and then maybe I can put things back and it'll look better. Oh, I already have so many regrets. Can you see how red my face is? Probably not, because the camera's gonna wash it out. Okay, let me put you down and we'll do another montage of me separating things into categories.
All right, here's me being overwhelmed and not knowing where to start. And now here's me moving super, super fast. And here's the deal. I know it's a sped up montage, so I know that's really why it's fast, but I was trying to match that energy in the moment too. You guys, I am like really enjoying doing this voiceover. I hope you are too, because I'm having a freaking blast.
All right, folks, we've done it. We've done the whole video. Everything is organized now. No need to watch any further. Again, I'm kidding. Oh God, we're not even close to being done. Let me give you a little tour of what I did here. I know it doesn't look organized, but it makes sense to me, okay? So we got all of my face products here. Yes, the things I put on my face. We love it. I'm trying to do like a cool, trendy hand gesture. I'm gonna stop. Okay, and then we have all of my eye products, my largest category. We got palettes stacked up here. We got lashes, we got liners, we got shadows, we got mascaras, we got all of it. Then we got some lips here, pretty big category as well. And then I gave my brushes their own little category. Most of my brushes are over there. It's in a repurposed Forever Mood candle jar. I love it. Most of the brushes are over there, but I did find some loose ones that I had hanging around. And then that is my miscellaneous palette. So hopefully none of that should really go back onto the desk, except for my butterfly clips, which I like to keep there. But hopefully I can get rid of the rest of that. But yeah, here we have our categories, looking good. All right, hey, how's it going? We're reconvening with me sitting on my desk because I don't know what to do with those guys over there. Again, I'm gonna keep saying it. I wish you guys were here. I wish you could help me. I wish I could shrink y'all down into little teeny tiny people, and you could all just, all of you, all 1,700 of you could just lift up one item. You all wouldn't even need your own. I definitely don't have 1,700 items, but if you could all just lift up one thing, oh my god, and carry it over all in one trip, oh my gosh, wouldn't that be fun? I'd pay you, obviously. I'm not gonna exploit your labor. I'd rather just sit here and fantasize for the next 20 minutes about how fun it would be to just have little tiny, like 2-inch tall people to carry my makeup items. I guess it would take you a while to walk over, right? But no, this is another thing about you guys being little teeny tiny. You are also super fast. You have superpowers. You're super quick. And I pay you each $1,000. I don't have $1,000, but I pay you each in magic. Okay, let's get down to brass tacks, okay? We gotta quit with the goofy stuff, okay? All right, so I think what I should do now is before I put everything back on my desk, I should clean it off because I don't know if you could tell, it's a little bit dusty. Yeah, we got quite a bit of glitter dust on the desk there, so we're gonna have to clean that off. I'm actually allergic to dust. Isn't that funny? You'd think I would dust more, but I don't. But I'm gonna dust this off, and then we'll put everything back on, and hopefully it'll be easier since I put everything into categories. And I got these great little organizers too. My boyfriend got me both of these. No, I think he got me one and my mom got me the other one. Love getting makeup organizers as gifts because I will never buy them for myself because I think organizing is boring, but I'm always so happy to have them. So I'll link these down below if you're interested because they're great organizers. But okay, let me go get my dusting supplies and I'll dust my desk and then we'll move on to putting all the makeup back into my desk.
I cannot even begin to explain to you how shocked I was by the amount of dust and grime on this desk. This took 10 full minutes. This was sped up, but this literally took 10 minutes and I thought it was gonna take like 2 minutes. So needless to say, I was shocked.
Hello, did you see my desk? I'm freaking killing it. I know I'm about to enter into like the hardest part of this, which is putting everything away and deciding where stuff goes, but can you just let me live in this moment for a second? Because it's a beautiful clean desk. Nothing's dusty anymore. There was so much dust. I could not believe how much dust there was. Oh my gosh. Like I said, I have a dust allergy. Like, I should be dusting my desk more. Will I do it? I don't know, but I did it now, so that's great. Freaking pat on the back for that. Like I said, now I'm gonna put everything away in its little drawers, and if I were to not speed this up, it would take literally, oh God, it would take so long if I talked about every item. So I have a whole video on my whole makeup collection. If you want to hear me talk about every single item in my makeup collection, I have a makeup inventory video that I will link for you. But I think what I want to do now is just do another one of my classic montages. But then when I'm done, I'll give you a tour. We'll do a little beauty desk tour. Won't that be so fun? It will, it will. I'm manifesting it. Okay, and cue the montage in 3, 2, 1.
Alright, and as predicted, this was definitely the most challenging part, but not challenging like putting the stuff away, but just deciding where stuff goes. Like, I have no idea what to put together, and I found out that I have a lot more space in my organizers than I thought I did, because let's be real, I got so many water activated liners and eyeshadow palettes that those took up all the space in the drawer, but in the little organizers, I got a lot of empty space, and I don't know where to put everything, but I think I did a good job. And once I give you the tour, you'll see my rhyme or reason for everything.
You guys, already knocking things over. You guys, I freaking did it. The desk is clean. Shall we take the tour? Do you guys want to see? MTV, welcome to my crib. Desk. It's a desk. I don't live in my desk. But yeah, let's give you the tour. Okay, so bottom drawer, we got our blushes and highlights. You can see I don't have a lot. I do have a couple more highlights that I have in different areas, and I'll explain why. But these are just my compact blushes and highlights. Plenty of room to get more in there, wouldn't you say? And then same deal with my bronzers. I only have 2 bronzers in here. Plenty of room to get more. Then we have some of my single shadows and loose pigments in here. I think there's a glitter in here. Anything in this type of a pot I wanted to put in this drawer since it's kind of shallow. I thought they would fit nice here. And then up here we got some lip glosses, all of my stick products. I like to keep the sticks up here. My Rare Beauty blush. It's really just about where things fit for me. Got some Pat McGrath glosses, my favorite lip balm, more lip balms back here. I didn't want the lash curler to be here, but it doesn't fit anywhere else, so it had to be. Then we have all of my bullet lipsticks, which I thought I had more. Apparently I don't. Then we have a bunch of eye and face stamps up here, brow pencils. One of these is empty. I can't remember which one. I will look. Look who's here, it's Bert. He's so curious. He goes, what are you doing? What are you cleaning? You never clean. Oh, going under the bed? Okay, bye Bert. But anyway, so yeah, then we got my face stamps. We have some eyeliners here, my mascara. Then I got my little bowl of brushes here, which I don't normally keep on my desk, but I have the space now. How cool. My butterfly clips and whatever this is, a barcode, okay. Then we have some moisturizers that I sometimes like to mix with my foundations. My setting spray, which is an e.l.f. setting spray that I didn't like the spritzer on, so I used my own bottle. Then I have my Mehron mixing medium, which I'm still learning how to use, so drop it in the comments if you know how to use that better than I do. Oh, and my only perfume that I own. I only own like one real perfume. It's called Aqua Allegoria Mandarin Basilic. I'm sure that's not how you say it. It's from Guerlain. It smells very citrusy. Here, do you want to smell it? Or give it a sniff. Oh, look, here I am in the back looking like a goof. Smell it? Oh, it smells good, doesn't it? Yeah, I like it too. It's really nice. All right, and then we got my complexion stuff up here. We got my Milk foundation, my Rare Beauty foundation, which I don't know if I'm ever gonna use this again, but I'm saving it for now. I'm gonna try it again in the summertime, see if I like it better. Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for Hollywood Superstar Youth Glow. Auric Glow Lust. Some lip balm, lip oils, some liquid lipsticks, just long boys, you know, long lip products. And then my freckle pen is here, some lip liners, just kind of miscellaneous lip products. It's all glosses, balms, and things. Got my bullet lipsticks over here, my glossy lipsticks over here, and then randomly my liquid lipsticks just because they fit there. My glue drawer, very proud of my glue drawer, lash glue, glue glitter primer. Then we have, this is my unused, like it's an unopened eye pencil that I haven't used yet. Yeah, it gets its own drawer, great. But plenty of space to increase here. They opened at the same time. I got my little poofs here, my little blendifuls, my false lashes here. And then I have all of my liner brushes. So yeah, that's basically the deal. Oh, I didn't, no, you're not done. You have to look in the drawer. So in here I have all of my water activated liners and also some daily makeup. So a lot of stuff I have in my project pan. I got a cream blush, regular blush, my Dawn face palette from Midas, my little mirror I use all the time, which is so cute. My boyfriend got this for me. It's a little vintage Zodiac mirror from Etsy. Love it. Then my NYX Conceal Correct Contour palette. So kind of my daily basics, but also some, we got the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, you know, just my dailies and also my graphic liners. And then you got all my eyeshadow palettes down here, just sitting on this little shelf. I gotta get an eyeshadow palette organizer. If you have any recommendations, please let me know, because I would love to hear them, because right now, I just do this. This is all it is. So great. All right, you guys, and that's gonna be it for me in my beautiful, new, freshly cleaned desk. I don't know what to do. I just wanna kind of put my head down and take a little nap here. That was exhausting. I'm sweaty, I'm hot. That took forever, but boy, is it satisfying. But the process was, you know what? The process was not miserable, because I felt like we were doing it together, and I can hear you in the future cheering me on. I know that you're back there and you were probably clapping, you were probably giving a woo 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 woo, like I'm sure you were being very enthusiastic, and I can feel that in the future even though I'm recording this in the past. So thank you so much for your support at this time, and thank you for your comments on my last declutter video telling me to organize my desk. I need to be told. I need to be encouraged. Words of encouragement are my love language. What is it? Not words of encouragement, words of affirmation. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you like this look, I actually recorded a little chatty get ready with me, which should already be up, or if it's not, it should be up very soon. So definitely subscribe for that, and check out my description box for all of the makeup on my face today. Like I said, I'm gonna link these organizers in case you're interested. I really, really like them. They're really easy to take apart and clean, so that was very convenient, and they weren't very expensive. Also down below, I'll have a bunch of Black Lives Matter resources, as well as resources to support the Asian American community. So please click on those links if you haven't yet. And I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next time. See you on the next time. I was gonna say, catch you on the flippity flip, because I've been saying that in all of my early 2000s videos. I'm so tired, oh my gosh. Bye!